Why?
Sad for my sister and brother because they're my best.
Why does it make you sad?
Because my sister and brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else are you feeling? From who?
Well, I said, well, those are my sister and brothers.
Oh,
And I did that.
you do.
Those are my sister and brothers.
Yeah. I'm sorry, buddy.
You have made me have bad attitude. But I don't want you to make that anymore.
You want to start over?
Start over all our plans. Plan about our stuff.
Make a new plan?
Make a new plan of watching, like, My Little Pony. That's what I want the plan to be like.
What are you more upset about? That you miss Isley Moses or that you want to watch My Little Pony?
Yeah, I want My Little Pony. So a shortcake.
Oh.
Little punch. Those are all the things I miss to watch.
I'm sorry.